Will all formatting and formulas be retained when I open an Excel file in Apple Numbers?
Hello and welcome to this video. Today, we're going to discuss a very common question. Will all formatting and formulas be retained when I open an Excel file in Apple Numbers? This is important for those who often switch between different operating systems or like using different spreadsheet tools.
What is Apple Numbers?
Before diving into the main discussion, it's important to understand what Apple Numbers is. Numbers is Apple's own spreadsheet software, similar to Microsoft Excel. It's part of the iWork productivity suite on Mac, iPad, iPhone, and iPod Touch.
Compatibility of Excel files in Numbers.
The crucial question here is about the compatibility of Excel files when opened in Apple Numbers. The simple answer is yes and no. While Numbers can indeed open Excel files, and vice versa, there might be some issues with complex formatting and certain formulas.
What happens to the formatting?
When you open an Excel file in Numbers, most basic formatting, like font style, cell color, and number formats, will be retained. However, some complex formatting features specific to Excel, such as conditional formatting, or certain types of charts and tables, may not be fully supported. You might find that these elements are altered or removed when the file is opened in Numbers.
What happens to the formulas?
When it comes to formulas, the story is similar. Basic formulas and functions that are common between Excel and Numbers will typically be preserved. However, if your workbook uses more complex, Excel-specific functions, these might not work correctly in Numbers, or they might not be transferred at all. So, it's essential to keep this in mind when working across the two platforms. In conclusion, while Numbers can open Excel files, and most of the basic formatting and formulas will be preserved, complex Excel-specific formatting and formulas might not be fully supported. It's always best to keep your spreadsheets as simple as possible if you plan to work interchangeably between the two applications. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful to you.